Hello fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how can you get more likes to your Facebook post and how can you grow your social media marketing. I will show you 7 secrets or 7 tricks and that will help you to get more engagement in Facebook. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Jeviso, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. This is my YouTube channel, and it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make more money like 10,000 per month, then subscribe my YouTube channel and you see here it's my income dashboard. So if you want to make this big money, then obviously check my number one recommendation and check my video description to get my Facebook page, and you will get a lot of info about make money related, and you can send message here directly with communicate with me, and you will get 12 income increasing bonuses. It's free for you, and you can check this bonus and it will help you to increase your online earning. Now in this video I will show you my 7 tips that will help you to get more likes in Facebook, and you will get more engagement with your audience, and audience is the key to online success. So in this video will help you to get more engagement to your Facebook post. But I remember it uh, I don't show you any software or any scammy task that will get huge and huge likes and shares. No, I will show you the real method, and you have to do it as a real person, and it will takes time to grow your Facebook page or Facebook group or Facebook profile. But if you follow this 7 secret, then you will get the best result in Facebook and your social media marketing. So my tip number on posting quality content. If you post quality content in Facebook, then you will get more like, and your post will be shared in um, shared by various audience, and you will get reach in uh, by your post, and you will get a lot of targeted audience if you can continue quality post, or you can provide quality content to your Facebook post or your Facebook page post. It may be videos, or it may be quality emails, or it may be quality post, it may be quality quotes. So you have to provide quality content for getting more engagement in Facebook. Now tips number 2, Facebook insights. If you have a Facebook page or Facebook group, and then always check the Facebook insights. Most of the people don't do it. Facebook insights, you will see the all the analysis of Facebook, from where your audience comes, which type of audience like or comment your post, then how much audience see your post, or how much engagement you get to your post. Everything you will see the Facebook insights. So you have to always check your Facebook Insight and get the best help to get more engagement with your audience. Now, tips number 3, engage with other brands and influencers. If you select any niche inside Facebook, it would be make money, or it would be physical product, it would be health and fitness, then try to engage your quality brand inside your post or videos, or you could join any Facebook influencer or YouTube influencer, and then you can make video chatting with this person. Then it will help you to get more engagement in Facebook. Now, tips number 4, optimize for timing. Um, Inside Facebook, posting time is sometimes packed. If you can maintain this, then you will get your targeted audience. So if try to post in 6 or 7 a.m. in the Central Pacific time, then you will get the more targeted people to your post, or and you will get more engagement in this time. So if you can maintain this time, then it will be best for you. Now, number 5, tips number 5, engage with your audience. Try to engage with your audience. Try to find out what type of post, or what type of content, or what type of help they needed for their better purpose, or they are helping, and try to engage with them by messenger, or by your Facebook page, or by your Facebook group. So if as much as you can engage with your audience, as much as you get like or engagement to for your social media marketing. Now, tips number 6, providing value. I don't do same thing over and over. It will reduce your engagement ratio. So try to value to their audience. If you do the same thing again and again, then your audience will be bored with your movement, or they don't like your approach, and don't try to sell anything inside your post or your direct messaging. Try to provide value, then they will come with you, and they will ask you to buy something, or to get something. So try to provide value to your audience. And number 7, tips number 7, encouraging engagement. You can try to encourage engagement by end of the end of your post. You can ask for any question, or then you can say comment in below, or comment how, comment info, etc. But don't try to sell anything by this post. So just try to engage with your post. They can come again and again, and it will help you to reach your post more and more. So try to encourage engaging to your post. It will be a video post, or images, anything else. So if you can maintain all these 7 secrets, then your Facebook marketing or your social media marketing will grow day by day. But if you want overnight success in social media marketing, then it's not possible. You can do, or you can see other videos, and this is not for you. So guys, if you can maintain all these 7 secrets, then you will get success in social media marketing, I assure you. So guys, if this video help you, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to check my number on recommendation to make this type of sales over 10,000 per month, and it's a high ticket program. And see here, I have made over 12 high ticket sales and a lot of low ticket sales inside here. So guys, if this video help you, then don't forget to like my video and share with other people. And if you first inside my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So I repeat all these 7 tips again. And first, on posting quality content. Number 2, check Facebook insights. Number 3, engage with other brands and influencers. Number 4, try to maintain optimize for timing. Number 5, engage with your audience more and more. Number 6, providing value to your audience. And number 7, encouraging engagement. So guys, that's it. If you can maintain all these 7 things, then you will get more and more like, comment and share to your Facebook post, and you can get huge engagement to your social media marketing. That will help you to make more money from online. So guys, best of luck and try to maintain all these 7 tips. Bye.